Hey everyone. So this video is my presentation for the preliminary examination. So I will explain the design patterns, their categories, and how they are used in real systems. So let's begin. So part 1, foundational understanding. So what is design pattern? So, ang design pattern kay giandam nga solution para sa common nga problema sa programming. So, instead nga magsugod ta from a scratch, gamiton nato ang pattern kay tested na siya, limpyo o mas dali na po siya i-maintain. So the three main categories of design pattern. So, muna siya no, ang tulo ka main categories, creational, structural, ug behavioral design pattern. So, ang creational design pattern is nag-focus na sila kung saan pag-create sa objects. Murag pag-order o pagkaon, dine-in, take-out, delivery, same result but different process. So, ang structural design pattern. Ang structural design pattern is nag-focus siya sa pag-combine sa objects. Murag Lego, line of parts, pero pwede nimo i-connect para mo form of structures. Then the last one is ang behavioral design pattern. Ang behavioral is nag-focus sa communication sa objects, murag group chat, kung na-update mutubag ang tanan. So muna si behavioral. So part 2, creational patterns in action. So choose one creational patterns, singleton, factory method, or builder. So akong ipili si singleton. So the singleton pattern ensures that only one instance of a class exists and can be accessed globally. This is useful for shared resources like configuration files or logging systems. The main benefit is controlled access, but a drawback is that it can create hidden dependencies and make testing harder. So akong gigamit si singleton kung isa lang yun ang dapat nga instance sa sa class. So for example, settings manager or database controller. So makita nimo sa akong diagram ini, isa lang ka singleton class, same objects ang gihatag kada tawag. So ang scenario is sa system isa ra ka database connection para dili mag-conflict. So part 3, structural patterns in context. So adapter pattern. The adapter pattern allows incompatible classes to work together. It acts as a translator between the client and the target class. So kung naay duha ka class nga dili sila compatible, ang adapter pattern ang connect sa ilaha. Murag charger adapter. Kung dili fit ang adapter ang mutabang. So makita niyo sa akong diagram, ang before is dili sila compatible, then sa after is compatible na compatible na sila kay tungod sa adapter. So mao na si adapter. So next is adapter versus decorator. So si adapter para himuon ang compatible ang duha ka interface, while si decorator para duhagan og new features ang objects without changing the original structure. So next, part 4, behavioral patterns in motion. So observer pattern scenario. So in a weather app, the observer pattern updates multiple screens whenever weather data changes. The subject broadcasts updates and observers react automatically. So, for example weather app. Kung mausap ang weather data, tanang screens automatic ma-update po ang subject mo send og update, ang observers mo react dayon. So, na si observer. So, choose any behavioral pattern, strategic command, or iterator. So, akong ipili si strategy pattern. The strategy pattern allows dynamic behavior changes without modifying the main logic. For example, a delivery app can switch between standard express or long distance fee calculation. So, ang strategy kay flexible nga approach. Pwede nimo ilisan ang behavior sa program anytime. For example, kaning delivery is standard express long distance. So mo na siya. So next is part 5, applied analysis. Online delivery system. The observer pattern notifies customer about order status changes automatically, while the strategy pattern allows flexible delivery fee calculation. Together, these patterns make the system efficient and easy to extend. So, ang observer para sa real-time orders updates, while si strategy para sa flexible delivery fee calculation. So, evaluation of the claim. Using many design patterns always makes software better. Agree or disagree. Defend your position using logic and example. So, disagree ko. So, dili tinuod nga mas daghan ang design patterns, mas maayo ang software. Kung sobra, mahimong komplikado o lisod i-manage. Mas maayo gamiton lang kung kinahanglan. So, that's all. Thank you for listening.